Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your Apple TV and the sending device are on the same Wi-Fi network and within range. Once done, update both devices to the latest OS so Airplay features work reliably. Next, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the sending device and confirm any personal hotspot is off, because hotspots can block local device discovery. This gets discovery and connectivity ready, which saves time before you attempt to connect or mirror your. Now begin the actual connection. Swipe into Control Center on iPhone or iPad, or click the Airplay icon in the menu bar on a Mac and locate your Apple TV in the list. Tap its name and choose Screen Mirroring for full display or Airplay for specific content. If a 4-digit code appears on the TV, enter it on the sending device to authenticate. This prevents accidental connections. Wait a few seconds for the stream to establish, and you should see your device appear on the TV. Finish by confirming audio and video sync on the TV and adjusting volume on either device as needed. When you're done, stop mirroring from Control Center or the Mac's Airplay menu to free resources. If you encounter lag, frame drops, or failure to find Apple TV, make sure both devices are on the same network, move them closer, and restart the router or Apple TV if necessary. Also verify Apple TV's Airplay settings to allow connections or require the on-screen code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.